We can use phenotypic or genotypic characteristics to determine the identity of an unknown organism. So if someone has a bacterial infection and we want to try to determine the bacterial identity, you can either look at phenotypic characteristics or genotypic characteristics. There are 3 phenotypic characteristics we can look at. We can look at microscopic morphology, that's saying is the bacteria rod or coccus, is it gram-positive, gram-negative? These are all things that are physical that we can see. We can do colony morphology, that's saying what does the bacteria look like on an agar plate? Does it change color? Does it have a certain texture? And we can do metabolic testing. So metabolic testings are all things that we can see with our eye, like you can do a catalase test or an oxidase test. Those are all phenotypic ways to identify an organism. We can also identify an organism by looking at its genes, its DNA, that's called genotype. Examples of that are DNA sequencing, PCR, RFLP to identify.